In order for your trains to operate, you need compressed air. In order for them to operate reliably and safely, you need quality compressed air. Contaminated wet air can cause extensive and expensive damage to your air network and brake system. That is why a top-quality dryer is essential. And there is none better than the new CDR Desiccant dryer from Atlas Copco. Developed and built for railway, the CDR effectively removes moisture while using much less energy than traditional desiccant dryers. Its secret are patented CDR Desiccant blocks. Instead of forcing the compressed air through thousands of desiccant beads with a significant pressure drop, the CDR allows the air to flow through straight, structured tubes with maximum efficiency and lower energy costs. CDR is vibration resistant, and its installation flexibility meets the demands of railway applications. In addition, it is much easier and safer to service. That's because unlike traditional desiccant dryers, CDR does not produce harmful dust. It also decays at a much slower rate. This means a longer lifetime and longer service intervals, but it also means less replacement consumables and less waste. Its low purge flow and energy consumption further reduce your environmental footprint. These advantages add up to one important outcome. Atlas Copco's CDR dryers will help keep your operation on track at a significantly lower cost. Because when it comes to safety, reliability, efficiency, and sustainability in railway air, Atlas Copco is your trusted partner from start to finish.